What's up everyone? Thanks for watching this video, tuning into the channel. So today I'm going to be doing the anti-lag, anti-lag, I don't know what everybody else calls it, but I'll be putting this into my JB4. I got this off of Burger Motorsports. So here is the chip that you're gonna need, and here's your wires that you're gonna need. I've already got the car all pulled apart and everything. So that's gonna go in the car, and this is going to go in here. So basically all you do is just open this up, pretty simple. There we go. So open that up. And the one that you're going to be replacing is this one right here. So it is not soldered in or anything, so you just have to be really careful when prying it up. So I'm going to use this flathead screwdriver, and this is the one that you're going to be, let me see if it focuses. This is the one that you're going to be removing. So let's go ahead and try to pry this up. Alright, so I went ahead and pried it out. It was pretty scary because this chip looked like it might break if you pry on it too hard. But yeah. So anywho, gonna install this one now. The numbers are the same, so I'm not sure if anything is different, really different. But they say I need it. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and slide this back into the spot. Press down, and that is in now. This is the one that came out. Obviously you can tell because this is the one I was prying on. It's not focusing, but anyway. So now this is in, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in its box if I can remember how it came out. It's back in, and box closed back. Alright, now let's go ahead and do the wire portion of it. Okay, so now for this portion, I already disconnected this one. So this is going to go, this one right here is going to go into, oops, dropped it. This is gonna go into spot 4. So that's right here. Make sure it's lined up. So you can see on the inside, this is spot 4. And down here you can see spot 4. I'm gonna push this in here. And it is in, just like that. So now this portion is going to go to the big connection. So that's this one right here. So it's going to go to this big one right here. So let me go ahead and pull this plug out. and the connection is off. Alright, so go through here. Push down. Slide this one out. So now, like I said, big connection. This one here. Pull that. Push it out. Alright. So now, what we're going to do here is we're looking for number 17. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. So this one is it right here. Keep the pig there. So this one. So I'm gonna grab this wire right here. Boom. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So this one right here. So I'm gonna press down on that and pull that one out. And the same side over here. So remember, 17, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So then I'm gonna come over here, do the same thing. Boom. Pull that one out. So put that off to the side. Now I'm gonna take this and replace. So first one, make sure the clip that you're pushing in is going facing outward. There. Push it all the way up. Boom, it's in. Into this one. Flip that around. Flip that around. In right there. So you hear it click. Alright, now let's go ahead and put this back together. Slide right in. Boom. Right there. Alright, goes back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the data cable back together.
I ain't playing with niggas. I'm like Black Mamas. Going for 81, rest in peace, Black Mamba. Vegas nights playing cars, shopping off season. Grab the white, red wine, shit, we all eat. Hear me well, no, I won't fail. Icy watch, my wrist won't swell. Bottles in my section, D shouting me out. I hit new plateaus when they counted me out.